Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have the question 30 divided by, open the bracket, 2 plus 3 close the bracket times 5 is how much? So in this expression you have to remember the order of operation PEMDAS. The order of operation PEMDAS, which is P stands for the parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket, E is the exponent, M is the multiplication, D is the division, addition and subtraction. So in order to solve such kind of math operation, multiplication and division have the same priority, but we have to work it from left to right. The same is true for addition and subtraction. So based on this, let's solve this expression. So first we have to solve the parenthesis or the expression inside the bracket. In our case, 2 plus 3 is inside the bracket. So 30 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5 times 5. So here we have a division and multiplication. Multiplication and division have the same priority, but we have to work it from left to right. So let's solve it. 30 divided by 5 is 6 times 5 times 5. How much it? This is 30. This is 30. So this is the correct answer. It's the course. Simply when you follow the order tricky, when we don't. So remember, don't forget to ignore the expression inside the brackets before to express the division and multiplication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.